In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently transfer money using the Wise app and GCash. This process is straightforward and will ensure that you can send funds quickly and securely to the Philippines using the popular mobile wallet provider GCash. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up your Wise app. Ensuring you have the latest version is always a good idea, as updates can often come with improvements and bug fixes. If you don't have this app yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once open, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface of Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, designed for easy international money transfers. After you have the app opened and running smoothly, the next step is to locate the Send option on the interface. This option is typically visible on the home screen and is where you'll initiate the money transfer process. By tapping Send, you're signaling to the app that you're ready to move forward with dispatching funds. Next, it's crucial to select the correct destination country for your money transfer. Since we're using GCash, you'll want to select the Philippines from the list of available countries. This ensures that your funds are directed exactly where they need to go and using the proper currency, in this case, the Philippine peso. With the country selected, proceed by entering the amount you wish to send. It's worthwhile to double check conversion rates and any fees just to make sure there are no surprises later on. Once you've confirmed the amount, press Add Recipient, which sets up your transaction to be sent to the right person or account. Now comes the exciting part, choosing GCash as the method of delivery. GCash is a popular e-wallet service in the Philippines, and selecting it will ensure that the recipient can quickly and easily access the funds. You'll then be presented with choices about who will receive the money. You'll need to choose whether you are sending it to yourself, someone else, a business, or a charity. This step is vital as it helps Wise app process and handle the transaction correctly. Finally, it's time to enter the recipient details. This includes the recipient's name, their wallet provider, which in this case will be GCash, and their e-wallet number. It's essential to input this information accurately to avoid any issues or delays in the delivery. And there you have it. After these steps, you're all set to confirm the transaction and watch as your money makes its way to the desired GCash account. Always remember to review all details before hitting send to ensure everything is correct. Thank you for watching and happy transferring.